is the unit. Like, if you don't want any kind of, oh my god, like, I just can't stop touching it. It's oh, see, this is why this is like my favorite. This is why I really like this. Hey beautiful, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching. In my last video, I showed you how to measure your hair for a wig. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install my favorite curly unit, Carys. Carys is our kinky curly bang unit constructed with a 4x4 closure, 4 bundles, and the longest length is 24 inches. The unit is about 200% density. So it's on a full and big side, but it's not too big and full where you cannot manage the hair, especially if it's something that you're not used to. Your hair and scalp has the ability to breathe as we only use ventilated caps. For more details on how to purchase this unit, the link will be in the description. Before I move forward with installing the unit in this video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now let's get into the less than 5-minute install. Here's the Carys unit, and before I put the unit on my head, I'm going to check and make sure that my braid down is flat and the cap is on my head. There, what I just pointed to is the elastic bands that come attached to the wig to ensure that it fits smooth, snug, and similar to like a bra strap, like securement little thing. I'm sure you guys seen it. So now that the unit is on my head, I am, combing out the bang, combing out these curls. Well, actually, I didn't comb out the curls, but keep in mind that the curls that are in this current video, they are not tight curls, but they do need to fall a little bit more just to show some length. And I do need to pull out the curls, just to make the unit bigger. But I do like this style, and all I did was put the wig on my head. Less than 5 minutes. And there's it. You just fix up the bang, flip up the bang, pull out the curls and everything like that, if that's what you want to do. But I've gotten so many compliments on this unit that I'm also considering. I've gotten a lot of compliments, and I'm also considering adding this unit to the site with maybe some color. I don't know. This is like a natural 1B color, but I'm thinking about maybe like a brown or something like that. I don't know, but I love this unit so much. You don't really need to do anything except to, you just have to cut the lace. This wig can also be worn like with the middle part. You can like make it a middle part, but I really like the bang. I just like the bang. I like how it falls into my face. I like how I don't really have to do much with the wig. Just, just put it on my head. Y'all seen how easy it was to install this unit. I know you all are used to seeing a lot of install videos that includes wig, glues, tape, sprays, what else, gels, jellies, whatever. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. But this is the unit. Like, if you don't want any kind of, oh my god, like, I just can't stop touching it. It's oh, see, this is why this is like my favorite. This is why I really like this. This is why this is my hair right here. Yeah, but this ain't the video where you need all the products. Y'all just saw how I just did like this, tighten the band up and put it on my head. That was it. You saw it. This is not a live video, but that's all I literally did. Pick up the unit, put the tighten those bands because I want my wig nice and snug, and that was it. That was it. So I'm gonna go for now. I'm gonna go, and I'll see y'all in my next video.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out?
Shit, keep that in the track, yeah. Shit, meet me in the